Hey guys, so it's Tuesday and we just left the doctor's office. Edith had her 2-month appointment today, so she weighs 10 pounds and 13 ounces. She's growing really good, she's healthy, and she loves to eat a lot too, so I'm not surprised that she's like 10 pounds. I don't think we have any errands to run. We pretty much did everything the other day already. I don't really want to go to the Asian stores for our groceries because now that I kind of know like the shipment days, like we like to go when they have like their fresh produce, so it makes it easier and there's actually things to buy. I got a raspberry croissant from my fresh basket. It's my first time. It looks really pretty, so hopefully it's good. It smells good. The croissant's good. It's flaky, but it's like
almost raspberry filled.
It's still buttery.
Say my name. I'm in the say my name. I'm in the say my name. I'm in the say my name.
Mocha wrong, look. Mocha, please. No. No. Come help mommy, bác mommy mà. Bác của mà. Có thể chỉ bác của này. Huh? Right here. One thing that I get curious on how like people get like the real drive to Charge Cities and go back. 2 hours away, I can literally go there.
We'll be in Seattle right now. Seattle to
Did you bring one of the charging cords? So this is the jam that I got from World Market. It's the ube sweet purple yam spread. And I read it online. It said that it's good on toast. And this is the bread that I like to get. It's the Nature's Own perfectly crafted thick sliced multigrain. Oh, it's kind of like it's like a paste, kind of. She'll start talking to you. It's so cute. I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it's good. Is it sweet?
No. It just tastes like the ube like paste.
It's really good, y'all. I like it. It's really good. I really like it. Sherry said that Sherry has the Asian one and she's like, it's really sweet. I'm gonna make more. I've been really into eating toast, especially PB&J. I was craving for that after I had my daughter when I was on my monthly diet and I couldn't eat anything. I was just craving for that texture when you bite into a really toasted piece of bread, that crunch. That's what I was craving for. Okay, Carrie?
Yeah.
It should be over there by the door. Có bữa nam toast một tí à? Có nói là sao? Okay. thrifted this Madewell scarf last week from Goodwill for $3.99, and I'm just gonna wear it because I have it right here by the chair. But I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and my toast, and then I'll start the photo broth after this.
Having more space. Having more space is not the answer. The answer is actually having less stuff. Because we just didn't have space. And one thing we learned over that year is how little we missed those extra items. Now, how do you know if you have too much stuff? Very simple. The answer is actually
Duma, fox. Dunce, elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. Another fish. Fish. Dunjay. Look. Come on, Mama. Bỏ chị về. Muốn khởi lúc Mama. Có mua áo lúc mình bỏ chị đi hỏi ạ. Không mất trong à mẹ mẹ. Để đi móc các cơ rồi nè. I can't stand that my cutting board is like shifting. I usually put a paper towel underneath it so it doesn't move. But since I'm just cutting this real quick. I'm also gonna put in the meatloaf as well. I don't use meatballs because they're just expensive, so I just use the meatloaf because it's a little bit cheaper. Okay. Mama, treasure. Love If you like tripe, I like to use the snow fungus mushroom. It's literally like the same similar texture and it's really good. This is what I like to use as a substitute. I took all the condiments that we usually put in our pho. We have beef paste, fish sauce, sriracha, oyster, some sweet sauce. I like to put peanut butter in my pho. I know not everybody likes that, but I love it. I think it tastes really good with it. The only thing that's missing is the black pepper, fried garlic, and fried onions, which we'll add when we actually assemble our bowl together. Okay, go. So we're at the laundromat and I'm actually in the car because Mavis fell asleep and my husband's going back and forth into the laundromat to double check on the sleeping bag, and there's actually quite a lot of people here, but good thing we only have the one. And I might go and get a coffee. I wasn't going to, but I just now saw this guy walk out with 2 drinks and it looks pretty good. I know I shouldn't be drinking so much coffee, but I am just a coffee girl now.